Alright, I'm about to show you guys what I ate every day on my cut for the past 3 months, and I absolutely love it. I don't get tired of it. I think I'm gonna be eating this for the rest of my life. Alright, so first we put 1/3 cup of raw oats. I get these from Whole Foods, and I use raw oats and I use the packets because all the artificial sugars and sweeteners. Next, I measure out about 20 grams of cranberries, dried cranberries, unsweetened.
Cinnamon.
About half a cup of protein oat milk.
Splash.
Half a scoop of your favorite protein. I use vegan plant-powered protein because I don't digest the other one that well. This one digests really well. It's actually really thin powder, and it mixes really well with the oatmeal. Next, I measure out about 20 grams of honey.
Mix, mix, mix. Oh, wow.
Then I put 2 tablespoons of my favorite peanut butter. This is organic, crunchy peanut butter from Whole Foods. It's a Whole Foods brand right there. See Whole Foods Market 365, baby. I love this one. It's the best.
So creamy.
Then we have blackberries, raspberries, and blueberries. I put a handful of each inside the oatmeal. About a handful of each. So boom. Boom. A little more blueberries. I love blueberries.
Then I mash it. Salmon skin. Yummy.
So yeah, that's it, guys. That's what I eat for breakfast every single day. It's like a ritual now. I get good carbs, I get good amount of protein, I get good energy from natural sugars, and I get this piece of salmon for the extra protein, extra fats. It's fire.